The following video is a TRAK 2OP CNC machining center. This unit is new 2017. Chris is going to run a brief video demonstration for you today.
All right, let's go ahead and run through our axis. We've got it set for Y right now. Go ahead and move it around. Our X. And our Z. Turn. We'll do some tool changes, but I gotta close the door for that. Alright, set up. Tools. Alright, tool change out. Alright, I'm going ahead and load a tool. Tool 1. Yep. And go again. All right. Do it again. Yes. All right. And go ahead and return it. All right, I'll go ahead and do a spindle test. We'll start off at 500 RPM. And that is 500 RPM. Let's go up to 1,000. That is 1,000 RPM. We'll jump it up to 3,000. 3,000. Now we'll jump up to 6,000, which is the maximum for this machine. And that is 6,000 RPM.
Again, the preceding video is a TRAK 2OP new 2017.